Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this video we'll be seeing how to set up the MI foaming hand wash machine. So here I've unboxed the foaming hand wash machine. Okay, here it says you loosen the battery cover counterclockwise. So here we go. This is how it comes out. So now you need 4 AA batteries. Okay, so now there is various signs how to go about that. Here it shows a plus sign above, so with the plus sign above, here a minus, okay, here again a plus, okay, here again a minus, okay. So 4 batteries, okay. So now you would want to go clockwise. Just put it up slowly, just clockwise. Yes. So here I finished, I'm done, it's fitting well. Okay, so now I'll open the bottle, open the nozzle, okay, and I'd be directly fitting this inside. Okay, so you've got to press on top. So this is on. So I think I'm getting the hand wash. Okay, you can see enough hand wash for a day. Thanks for watching.